I'd like to talk about some event that happened on August of 2021, and I have it all caught on video. There was this no racism town hall that occurred, and it was basically in Clark County Library. There were 3 elected officials. Me and my friend, we attended. I did not disrupt any event. Remember, we have this all caught on video, even by the organization itself. I left the event while they were playing a video. And while I left, I was in the hallway. The host of the meeting started yelling and screaming at me. And she prevented me from going in. And I mentioned that I did not want to go in. I just wanted to speak to elected officials. And first of all, I had no idea that they supposedly call this a private event, but we had no idea it was a private or public event because it was marketed as a town hall with 3 politicians. Automatically, the library staff took her side without any investigation. They did not give me any prior warning about how I was or what I say. They gave no quotes or information about what I did or anything that went on. And they were giving me mixed responses on what to do. One said I had to leave the building. The other one said I had to go to the other side. Other one was just asking me questions. So it was kind of like I was played like a football. And then I was waiting for my friend, who he's the one who got kicked out. I could be wrong. And his papers got mashed and lost and distorted. So that's why we had to wait. And then all of a sudden, they were accusing me of being loud, and I have it all on video, and the opposition has the video too. They have no evidence that my voice was louder than anybody else. And again, they have no evidence, and with trying to, it seemed like adding gasoline to fire, they issued me and my friend a trespass. Now remember, I did not get kicked out of the event. I was not given any warnings. And all of a sudden I asked for my reasoning, and then they said there were 3 law enforcement agencies, and I'd like you to investigate why that was the case. And it's kind of funny because these people, they criticize the police, but yet this was a very, very small matter. And the officer nearly handcuffed me. He grabbed me, and they wouldn't explain what happened. And they still wouldn't once I left, and I called them the next day. I have it recorded. They wouldn't explain what was going on. Now, all we're asking is investigation, and please give us examples of what happened. What did I do wrong? Who was causing the problem? This is all we ask. And if we don't have an investigation, these things are gonna happen again, and we may have to take third-party action. So, and why is this important? Because I believe that they want to just keep building heat on me. So next time there's something like this, they'll be able to use it against me. And I think the issue is all I want to do is talk to elected officials. They barely have any public town hall meetings. So what can you do to really investigate this, get some information about this? I really felt like this was really a trap. And honestly, if there was any evidence of what I did, just tell me. But just wrapping it up and walking away, that's not right. You know, and it's almost as if like I just got a parking ticket and my driver's license was revoked.
Thank you. I don't want to, I got to keep you aware of time here to be fair to everyone.
Okay, but thank you.
Are you, to clarify that we have this on the record, I don't want you to be rushed off either. So we have your name. Have you submitted, we can't take action as a board on a public comment, but have you submitted to the library to review this trespass? Have you turned it over to anybody internally here? Have you contacted any formal channel?
I am not interested in going back to that library.
Okay, thank you. We have what we need to start the investigation from this end. Thank you for the comments.
But we need to, but I do believe that there was a wrongful action that was taken. And this could have been handled a lot more appropriately. This could have been done, and there could have been prior warnings. There could have been a sign. There could have been handled this in another building because, and of course, we need to know why there were 3 law enforcement agencies.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
John Carlo, I go by JC. I'm on Instagram as the Ghost Patriot 1860. I'm very, very pleased to announce to everyone here that I am a candidate for school board in District G, and this public library falls within District G. I watched some assembly meetings with the public library. So I'm kind of a little bit familiar with what's been going on and with the tax situation, but I've got to talk to you guys about a lot of things. For one thing, as a school board trustee, I want to be able to work with the public library, provide programs. But beyond that, what's more pressing than that right now is my trespass. I was trespassed for not wearing a mask almost 6 months ago. And now, you know, there's a federal judge in New York State that has said forcing people to wear a mask is unconstitutional. It is against the law. Well, I was being forced to wear a mask, and I told him I have a religious exemption, I have a medical exemption. I was trespassed. So I have not been able to use the public library. When there's bums out here, there's homeless people, they're doing drugs, they're doing crimes out here, and they're using the public library. They're abusing the public library. We'll deal with that another time, but I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'm a taxpayer. I need the library. I'm a candidate for District G. I'm a candidate for this Clark County School District. I need the library. I need the books, the resources. So I'm asking the board if they would lift my trespass, if that's within your jurisdiction, within your power, so we can work on making a better education system for the kids and a better community. Second, in this past fall, there was a group called No Racism 1865 who had held a town hall. It was advertised as a public meeting. Linda Cavazos, Brittany Miller, and school board trustee Danielle Ford were there, 3 elected officials. We showed up there, my colleague and I, we were there to learn what we can. They unlawfully kicked us out of the meeting. We have footage of it. If we need to bring it to the district attorney general, we will. If we need to get a lawyer, we will. But my colleague, he's on his way. His name's Cyrus. He's going to be talking to you guys. But we got to talk about what happened. If what they did was legal or illegal, because there was 3 elected officials. And from what I understand, if there's 3 elected officials, you have a quorum. And that falls under open meeting law. So our rights were taken away. And so I would like the board to investigate that. I can email whoever the video, it's on my Instagram, but my time is up. I thank you guys for letting me speak. But I suggest please call me 702-969-4178. You guys have I'm here for you guys. I back you guys 100%. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We do have to follow CDC guidelines. That includes wearing your mask properly.
Not true.
So.
We're not asking you.
No one's asking you.
We're not asking you.
No one's asking you.
We're not asking you.
We're not asking you.
Do you need to leave?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm looking
I'm
right
answering
at
your
you.
question.
Okay, come on. Let's go. I'm sorry.
Ow, you stepped on my shoe.
It was a mistake. I'm sorry.
You can't remove.
Come on, let's go.
I'm
Yes, I
wearing my
can.
mask.
Let's go. Come on.
I'm wearing my mask.
You're being disruptive right
No,
now.
I'm not. I'm
Yes,
answering
you
your
are. Yes,
question.
you are.
What do you want me to do?
This is the last time.
What do you want me
I'm
to
not going to
do?
do it back and forth with you, okay?
Okay, I'm sitting
not
here.
gonna, okay, shh.
Straighten up and fly right.
Move this shit. Here. Excuse me.
So, my previous statement, we are providing masks for anybody that needs one, so we have them in the back.
Using continually raised voices, which is disturbing.
That's not
the
true
peace
because it
of
was
our
echo.
library.
They started the
That
raised
also-
voices. They were raising their voice. They were raising their voice.
If you want, you can speak
They
to
were
your
raising their
company.
voice.
Are you going to leave, yes or no?
What,
Yes or
under
no?
what law? Under
Or
what law?
Trespassing law.
Where
Are
is
you
it?
going to
Show
leave?
me.
Yes or
Show
no?
me. Where? No, okay, I'm done. I'm done. Stop, please. I'll leave. God, I'll just
How many
leave.
times will you ask to leave?
I want to know my rights.
If she asks to leave the premises, it's her, she's in charge, you've got to leave.
Okay, all right.
If somebody was at your house and you asked them to leave, you have to leave.
Yes.
Same principle.
Can I get my flag?
Is that his flag? Bring his
Yeah.
flag for him.
We're going to be exposed. You're going to lose. You're not going to replace white people. You're not going to replace white people.
We're not finna do this.
Okay.
Our kid is in there. We're not finna do this.
Okay.
We are not gonna
Don't
do
raise
this.
your voice. Don't raise your
tell me
voice.
what to do.
Oh, if I
You
raise
don't
my
tell me what
voice,
to do.
if you raised your voice,
You don't tell me what what
Why?
to do.
You're not in the meeting.
You are coming in here to be resistant and to be disruptive, and it's not going to happen.
You don't like Persian Americans. That's what you are. Yes.
Is he allowed back in or?
No, he needs to
No,
go.
I didn't even do anything wrong. I didn't even do anything wrong.
Go.
I didn't even do anything wrong. Why did
Him and
I
the
didn't
flag
make
need
any?
to go.
No, I don't.
Him and the flag need to go.
I don't need.
Well, I can't tell you what to do in the library.
This is public
The space
property.
that
We have the
space
right
that
to
we're
be
in, he's
here.
not welcome.